Go on. Go on. Wait, Bingo. Bingo. Bit more. Bit more. Bit more. Bit higher. It's loud, isn't it? Where's all the sound coming from? Well, he's muffled at the back. I think it's coming from because they're 3-inch pipes. I think it's getting a lot of droning sound. You got a pop. You got a pop then. Didn't you, Bingo? You're putting it all over your face and the window ledge. And you've got tomato all over your face too. Let me hear it from the front. It's gonna stop. We're doing a sound check. I think I need to upgrade it to the next one up, the muffler. I think I need to upgrade it.
I think so. It sounds nice. Sounds good. You don't like how it sounds?
I don't know. I think it's